Hey guys, what's up? Here we are with another video, and this here with me is the new Huawei Y9 2019. Why 2019 since we are still in 2018? Not sure, but let's go ahead and do our unboxing to see what comes inside the box with this phone. The Y series from Huawei has always been about budget to mid-range phones, while pushing the hardware with each model. Earlier this year, we saw about 3 different phones in the Y 2018 series, but now we are already looking at the first phone from the next lineup of budget phones. This new Huawei Y9 is said to be replacing the popular Huawei Mate Lite lineup. That is because the actual Mate 20 Lite phone was only launched in a very few countries. Mate 20 Lite was a very successful phone in emerging markets. However, that is now replaced with this Huawei Y9 2019. So let's get on with the unboxing now. First, we'll take off the plastic wraps from the box. Let's just get it done. I can just cut it off here, and this is it. Now we'll just peel off the plastic. And here we are. These are the warranty cards. I'll keep this aside. This is a standard neat box that we have seen from Huawei with all of their previous phones. As a matter of fact, I actually have the P20 Lite and the Huawei Nova 3 boxes here with me. See? Pretty similar, right? And wherever you buy this phone from, make sure the box has this seal on it. This makes sure the phone has not been tampered with and you're getting the genuine product. And so let's just cut off the seal and proceed ahead. Yep, there we go. That's one. Here's the second seal. We're done with the cutter for now. Here we go. This is the Huawei Y9 2019. Here are some stickers for the IMEI number, and here's the phone. The one I have is in the black color. There are about 2 or 3 more colors available. We'll keep this aside for a while. Next, inside the box, we have the SIM ejection pin, and I think there is a user manual, a screen protector actually. That's nice. And we have the user manual. I don't think anyone reads that anymore. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The next thing we have inside is the charger. It's a standard USB-A to micro USB charger. Here's the USB cable, and I think in the last we have here is, wait, there are no earphones? No, there is one. Here it is. These are the normal earphones that come inside the box. I think that's pretty much it. The phone does not come with a screen protector like other Huawei phones that we've seen. I remember the Y5 Prime or the other Y series phones last year used to, in fact this year, they used to come with a case inside it, a standard TPU case. Well, let's say it's not a big issue. So this is pretty much it that comes inside the box. We'll keep the box at a side for a bit and let's see what's inside the phone. Coming back to the phone, it comes with a big 6.5 inches front display with a full HD resolution screen. The phone has 4 GB RAM and it comes with 64 GB internal storage, but no micro SD card slot. If you're looking for a great phone with 120 GB storage and an SD card support, then go for the Huawei Nova 3. It's right here with me. We have already reviewed it on our website. I'll drop the link below in the description so you can see how the phone performs against other phones. So yeah, this is the new Y9, which is powered by the Kirin 710 processor, which also powers the 4 cameras on this phone. All of these 4 cameras are AI powered, 2 at the back and 2 at the front. The 2 front sensors are 16 megapixels and 2 megapixels. The ones at the back are 13 megapixels and 2 megapixel sensors. We'll get into that later in our full review. From the outside, the phone has a power button. It has 2 volume buttons, both of them on the right side. And at the bottom, it has micro USB slot. There's a headphone jack and the speaker grill. And at the back, along with the cameras, we have the LED flash, the AI camera branding, and there's also the fingerprint sensor. And from what we have heard, this is one of the fastest fingerprint scanners on a phone. It's super fast. We'll know more when we start using the phone. So on the software side, the phone comes with Android 8.1 Oreo with EMUI 8.2 on the top. This is the same EMUI version that we first saw on the Huawei Nova 3, making it a very similar phone to the Nova 3 in terms of software features. This is the Huawei Nova 3. And now at the last, like all of the Y series phones, this Y9 also comes with a big 4000 mAh battery that should easily give you more than a day's usage time. So for now, this is the new Huawei Y9 2019. We'll have more soon in our full review. Hope you enjoyed our unboxing video. For now, see you guys in the next video. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. Bye bye guys.